prefer surrounding myself like-minded people. People with my mind. Huyo dem Becky akachuta. Yeah. Becky dakika ya Becky. I believe the judge actually said entertainment.
Does it?
Say they do not plead guilty. Well, there ama ushasomea.
I understand why they have to do this, why I am here. I understand, I won't fight them. I apologize for the scare that stupid device caused. And that's it. I just want to go back home. And now I have to lose a week because we made that one mistake of not destroying that device.